Welcome to Creations by Karen. Today is day 8 of the 20-day Christmas craft challenge. I've already done 7, so make sure you go back and watch the other 7 that I've already done. And if you want to continue to watch these, hit that notification button so you know every time that I come on and do one. And hey, would you like to subscribe to this channel? Because I do all sorts of crafts and I post them on here. So we're going to do day 8 of this Christmas craft challenge. I got this candle from Red Door Candle Studio here in London, Ontario, Canada. My friend Anthony runs it and makes all the candles, and they're amazing. And this is peppermint, a peppermint candle. When you want to give somebody a candle, yeah, you can put it in a bag and that's great, but I like to jack things up. All right. So we are going to affix a tag so you can write, "You've been a great neighbor," or "Thanks for being an awesome coworker," whatever you want. So I got these tags on TEMU, and I got like, I don't know, 20 or something. And I really like this ho 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 Santa one. And I'm just going to take some twine, this twine that I got, and it came with another set of tags I got from TEMU. I've been shopping a lot on TEMU. And I'm just going to fix this to the top of this jar. And all you have to do is wrap it around and tie it. And then I just stick one end through this tag. And hopefully, there we go. And I'm just going to tie it in a, like a little knot. Not overly tight, but so it sits nice. Okay? Just like that. And I'll show you in a sec. So I want it to sit kind of nice. And these tags are really cool because you can, the back of it like is, there. I put it here. I want it just off to the side slightly so you can see the Red Door Candle tag on it and to know it's peppermint. And then I got this ribbon at my local Dollar Tree, and it's not wired ribbon, it's just regular buffalo plaid. I wanted a coordinating ribbon that went with the candle and also the tag. And I'm just going to cut a generous piece off. This is only $1.50, so it's okay to be excessive, I guess. And I'm just going to affix this around the top, just like that. And tie it in a bow. And you know what else you can do? You can just take your hot glue and there's like, put a little bit of hot glue on there. So you're putting this ribbon on. So it doesn't go anywhere when you're making your pretty bow. And this is a really, really nice way. Oops, oh, that didn't work. Let's try again. See, everybody makes mistakes, and I do too. So it's important to know that. I'm not perfect. Nothing in life is. So just go ahead. Try to be a little bit more careful and not rush this time. The key here is the bow, though, all right? And you could just make a bow and hot glue it on. So I've got my bow here. And once again, it's double-sided. I'll show you what it looks like. Hang on. So I'm just going to make it pretty now. And I'm going to cover up this part here. So they have great candles at Red Door Candle Studio. And what I do is just put a little bit of hot glue right on the top of here. So that one tail is like covering where I've tied it. Just like that. Which looks good. And then I'm going to ducktail my ends. Oh, I don't think I can ducktail these actually. I'm just going to cut them on an angle. we go. So the bow's on, tag is on, the fragrance of the candles showing, and day 8 is complete. There you go. I'd love to receive one of these. Anthony, if you're looking at this, I'd like a peppermint candle for my Christmas gift this year. Anyways, that's day 8, guys. You have a great day today. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Bye.